Welcome, tributes, to the first annual Bird Games. You will all fight to the death, and the last person standing will be crowned the victor. This individual will be bathed in riches and live in comfort for the rest of their life. Happy Bird Games, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Now, let the countdown begin. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, four, three, two, one.
Already.
I'm running. Oh god. We don't have anything to repel our water. It's okay. We'll... Oh, I don't think... That doesn't look like it's safe. You're not safe either. I remember these things. I didn't read the title. Max team size, okay. Oh. Those ones aren't the safe ones, right? I wasn't paying attention. Where's Monty? I should be more worried about my safety, but here I am out here. Bees. I don't know what we can eat and not eat. Can we eat mushrooms? No, oh, that's a toadstool. Do I have to cut? Oh, wait. Okay. Can I cut you off? Can I eat you? No, I can't eat. Oh. That's, Oh, I don't want you. You can go. I feel like I'm going crazy. I feel like I'm hearing stuff. Ow! Can I eat you? No, I can't eat tiny mushrooms. I can break you. No? Okay then. What do you give me? Can I eat you? No, I can't. I'm so alone. I'm alone and... What? Oh, wait. I can hear you. Ow! Was not worth it. Was not worth it. Was not worth it. Oh, I placed down two of my lids. Was not worth it. Note to self, don't eat random things you find. Oh my god. Oh, I'm not meant to go near them. They're gonna kill me. Ow. What was that noise?
Where are you?
Oh.
Come out. I saw
You're
you.
here. Can't hide forever from us.
A mushroom hat. Plant does. Let's
Make
get
sure we're
back.
picking up all these berries.
Yeah. I'm gonna go back and loot.
That's so scary. I wasn't. I don't know if I just blocked myself in. Okay, I can break that. Blueberry.
There's a crocodiles here. Oh shit!
You scared the shit out of me. I won't hurt you if you don't hurt me.
Watch out.
They're getting poisoned. Watch out. Wait, don't touch those.
Leave alone.
flowers.
Hi.
Hi. I can give you food if you don't hurt me. No, never mind. You've got four people.
We won't hurt you. We're not here to hurt you.
We're
I
not here to
promise.
hurt you. Wait, guys, there's other people over there. There's two
Is
people.
there more people?
Be careful of
The flowers.
No, not the flowers. There are two people who are running around. I was underground
Oh.
and they came up
see
to me
two
and they were like, "Where are you? I'll kill you."
Okay.
They're right
Where's
there, guys. Right there in the corner. Those two people.
get to the wall. Come over
They
here.
never walk.
What's happening?
I saw two people. They were staring right at me.
We are not going to approach them.
No.
You said they are dangerous, right? What's your name?
I don't know if it's those two people. My name, Keko. I'm Keko.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Keko.
Right,
Nice to meet you. We are not
Where
here to
district
hurt
are
you.
from?
Okay. You're not.
What district are you from?
District
Guys,
10.
no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
District 10. I know someone from District 10. Their name's
Oh!
Monty. Shit.
Yeah, I'm trying to find
Relax,
Monty.
relax.
Monty.
Guys, breathe.
I'm trying to find
Monty,
know
Monty. We know
I don't
Monty.
like this at all. I can't.
It's okay.
Relax.
Uh,
It's okay.
I'm scared.
It's
gonna be
okay.
okay.
Relax. Take some deep breaths. Relax. Do you need water, Keko? Wait, no.
Yeah,
Who-
I do.
Do you need? Okay, I have some right here. Here. Wait, can I drop there?
Do you know where your
is?
there's food around that lake if we go round it, or we have to go round together.
I
Yeah.
need
Come.
some more food. Do you need more
Come.
water? I have
Hey,
one.
don't run.
Can I have that back? Can I have that back?
Yeah, you can have it back.
Wait.
Okay.
Are you guys coming with?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I just
Okay.
have to give them water. But we
Okay.
can't be 5 people, so
I
we're
mean,
not allowed to be 5.
yeah,
I
but
said before.
that's true.
But I don't want to kill you. You seem really, really sweet, and I like your hat.
Oh, thanks. I
You're
got it
welcome.
from the cornucopia, the middle.
Alright, but I don't think we can team since
No,
we
we
would be
can't.
5
I'm
people.
trying to
But
find Monty.
I don't mind being neutral with you. I don't mind at all. You
I'll-
seem very nice, and I know
I'll-
your district partner.
I'll be someone you can count on if you ever need it.
Alright, and you too. Wait,
Yeah.
where did my
They ran away from
thing
you.
go?
Oh my god. Who's over there? Monty!
I put through the bits. The fields were like over there.
Keko!
Hi!
Hey.
Oh my god, I thought you were dead!
No, I'm fine.
Oh, come on.
Scared
Scared me. Are you- this is my cousin, this is Keko.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
awesome.
People,
Hi.
we
So
can't
slight
all be
problem.
together.
Yeah. So.
I'll go with Keko. Truce, I'll go with Keko. If we discover someone later on, each other, truce, okay?
Truce.
Okay, true.
Okay. Can I have a campfire, please?
Oh my gosh.
20
No,
people left and no
okay,
right now.
campfire in one bed. Can I take
Holy
this bed,
moly, okay.
Campfire. I can give you a campfire. Here we go.
please?
Well, good luck.
Thank you. Keko, we're going.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye.
Come on.
we're going.
I thought you died. Shut, are you okay?
I
Do not die. As soon as I leave a big group, you start dying.
I've met so many. I haven't met so many. I've met like 6 people, and 2 of them already.
Who are they?
The District 2 people you said not to. Well, I think they were District
Not to
2.
go near them.
Not to go near. Yeah, they were kind of. They're kind of running around, and
Oh my
if you're not
God.
careful, they will just kill you.
Okay. Take this. Do you have a weapon?
Yep. I can't put.
How do you put a backpack on?
You take your chest plate off.
I'm not doing that. Put a chest plate on.
Oh no, I've written.
I had like I had alliances. I was ready to run off with people, but then I was near none of them, and I just had to go into the middle, get a bag, and run out.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. What? Where did you go? Did you go off with anyone or?
I grabbed a backpack and.
Shit.
Are you okay?
Oh, fuck.
Do you need food?
Oh,
I have...
bloody hell. I'm good. I'm all good.
Oh wait, I have 2 sleeping bags. Oh never.
Okay, we have 3 sleeping bags now. Fair. Wait, is it this? That's dangerous.
No, it's the mushrooms you stepped on over there, the big red ones.
Okay. Yep. Those are dangerous.
Those are yeah, I stepped in them earlier.
Ow. Okay. We need a pickaxe.
I have wood.
Wood. Shit. Okay, that's good. We're good. Good. That's good. I have a fishing rod also.
Oh,
We can
okay.
we can fish.
Oh,
Oh! Fuck. 3 deaths. 4 deaths even. I think it is. 4
no,
deaths.
I think
4
it's more
people
like 5.
dead. 5?
I think so.
Hey! Don't come closer. Don't come closer.
Well, I'm
Name?
Blake, District 1.
What do you have on you?
Steel saber, javelin, food, purified water canteen.
Okay.
And also
Are
got something here.
you-
We got
are
okay.
You alone?
Are you with anyone?
You guys, I'm running from people. I have no one. I'm running.
Who are you running
From who?
The people who've been. 3 people have been eliminated by these 2 people.
Oh,
It's District 2.
Yeah,
Are they there? Are they there?
that's why.
We go.
They're chasing me.
Oh
I've run
my
into them a
god,
couple
what?
times. I saw them
If it
kill
comes-
someone and.
If it comes to it, you run in the opposite direction, me and Keko run in the different direction. Okay?
No. I'm not killing you guys.
Yes, we're not protecting you.
I just need a sleeping bag.
We have a sleeping bag.
We have an extra.
Oh my gosh, you do?
Yes.
We're not
Oh
sleeping
my gosh,
anyway.
could I have
yeah.
it, please? I've been
We
looking.
get somewhere safe and then you sleep.
Yes,
okay?
yes. Follow me. I have a good place.
Do you notice? Are you sure? Because you were just getting hunted down.
Yeah, well, that's because I ran into them at the pond lake thing.
Oh, fuck, okay.
That's when they killed someone in front of my eyes.
Good? Like, are you good or?
I don't want to be near those 2. That's all I can say. I don't want to be near those 2.
Where's your district mate?
I don't know if she's alive, if she's dead.
Who is your district mate?
Chop.
At them. Shit, guys.
Yes.
Blake.
Like.
What? There's another place that's better. That's not so close. That's why I was still running.
Oh, okay. Is there a bigger place like this?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, come on. That one's more discreet though. That's our second hideout. This is good.
Okay. Sleeping bag.
Do you guys need food or something? Oh, thank you.
Yes, I need food.
Okay, I've got some cheese.
Why
You
do
guys
you
can
have
have.
cheese? What's up with that?
Oh, I have candy.
I have candy.
You have candy? I have a donut. I'm gonna.
I have a lantern. I have a lantern and a campfire. We can use campfire here. Oh,
I had 3
okay.
lanterns, but then I
I'm
accidentally
tired.
placed them down. Oh, I need this one.
Egg.
Sleeping time.
EP time.
Okay.
Yes, but they're probably gonna go
I
for
think-
us first.
I think we should have someone to look out all the time.
I'll look
go
out.
first. The people. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ow.
Come back soon.
I will.
There's the person.
Yep, I see him. You can't. No, you can't.
Holy shit.
Someone's still out there.
Don't open. We do. We need allies. That's what we need.
Yeah. There's a whole...
We need. We're not staying here. We're not staying here.
Why?
Oh shit. my god.
Oh gosh. How about you?
Well, I mean, I volunteered. So there's not much I can like complain about. But well, I mean, there was this guy, Jake. He was the only guy who just put up with me. If that makes sense. And I mean, he was nice. He was a nice guy, but I didn't. He liked me in the way that I didn't like him. And then he asked me out, and I said no. And then the next day, I volunteered.
So you regret
But it's just
that?
no. I regret not making him happy. Cause he treated me like a person, you know, which I didn't have much of. I just would have liked to treat him like a person back. It's the whole thing.
I'm sure he'll forgive you.
Well, I won't know that if I die in here.
I'm sure no one will know that. I'm sure many people have regrets.
Well, not everyone though. District 2 don't. Killing everyone.
I think District 2 just really wants to get out and see their family again.
They won't. Only one of them will.
That's true. We could always wait out until their bond falters and strike them then.
I don't think we're gonna get to strike them all. We have to wait. That's how we're gonna win this. People aren't gonna favor us. We're like districts. We aren't gonna be anyone's favorite. We can't take the glory. We just have to wait for it to be given to us.
Yeah. Do you know if you can eat strawberry brackets?
Strawberry brackets? You mean
Yeah.
strawberry bracelets?
No, strawberry brackets.
You can.
Okay, you can. Okay, that's good actually. I thought last time I ate something I didn't know of, I nearly died, so.
Don't do that, maybe. Maybe.
I was walking around
Perhaps.
picking everything up, trying to see if I could eat it.
You don't do that, what the fuck?
Yeah, it backfired at one point.
Oh yeah, really? How come?
I don't know.
That's... Why did you go off by yourself, man? That's not good.
I didn't know where you were, and I was right next to the District 2 people.
Wait, seriously?
Well, I'm pretty sure. I think I was next to District 2. What?
Oh my god.
Next to District 2 and... Oh. Is that all of District 8?
All of District 8.
Oh, that's... Funny how we're a lower district and we're surviving longer than most. Sleeping.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so bad, Kex.
This is horrible.
This is genuinely. Okay, go on. Go. You go.
I don't want beans. We survived this. What can I throw out? That one. Okay. I don't think there's anything on that anymore because the District 2 people were there originally.
Shit, wait 1 second. I'll
Okay.
message Ryan. Okay, hello.
Hello.
False alarm, so I need to go still soon.
Okay. The hole is over here. There's also a dead body over there.
What? Oh, yeah. Also, I have only one headphone on and the other one listening up the door. So you're my ears right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh shit, no.
The hole's
Oh,
over
okay,
here.
no, I don't know, never mind. Got another mushroom out.
Oh my god. The hole's over here. So, and it's turning night soon.
Yep. Oh shit.
This is where I hid.
So yeah, we can just block it up, literally.
Yeah.
Cool.
District 2 might be strong, but they don't have very good eyes.
Oh, that would have been handy
I should've
earlier.
saved that.
Okay. That's okay, you didn't know. We know now.
Yep. Oh.
Mm.
Oh, it's nighttime.
Survived the second night. That's good.
Oh my gosh. We might actually have a chance at this. District 6 is gone.
That's the two things we heard close together.
Yeah, District
They were together.
9. District 9 is gone.
Two districts?
In one day?
Oh my god.
Wait, how many districts are left?
I don't know. I say as I'm counting. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Oh. They might not even. They might not even.
Not good.
I mean, at least we're not completely alone. We have each other.
What happens when each other doesn't exist? Then we're alone.
Mm-hmm. Then we have no one. Are you
Wendy's
willing?
gonna
Are you willing to win if I end up dying to District 2? Are you willing to try? You volunteered, so I highly doubt it, but
I mean, yeah, of course I'm willing to try, but I don't think I don't think I'd be able to try hard enough.
mm-hmm.
It's not like you're gonna die to District 2 though. I'm gonna stay with you and I'm gonna protect you.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. We're not gonna die.
You're not gonna die.
We're not gonna die.
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
You guys are alive! Holy
Oh
shit!
my god! Wait, is
Oh my god! Are you okay?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys
Oh my
okay?
god, we're okay. Blake betrayed us. Do you guys know Blake? Blake.
Blake?
This person. We
him.
You kill Blake.
No, I stabbed him.
We stopped him, didn't kill.
Okay, Blake's with District 2.
Yeah, or one, I think.
We were with Blake. Blake left to go be on the lookout. Then we heard District 2 above us. We were silent, literally. Blake ran away. I'm assuming Blake bartered their life for ours. So then Blake tried to show them to us. We ran.
Okay, wait, that.
Wait, but Blake was right here. Blake was like yonder, over there.
No. But Blake was right here?
No, yonder.
that
like
way,
more that way.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Because if Blake heard us, we are dead.
Yeah.
Also, we're not teaming up, we're just talking.
Yeah.
Just talking about a potential.
No murder yet, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck's
Plenty
sake.
enough for that.
We've been here for a while. There's nobody's been here. The only thing we're worried about is the border.
Yeah,
I
the
see.
border's gonna unfortunately shrink.
Oh, food.
There's a lot of food here. There's berries. Take whatever.
Yep.
How are you doing? Do you have any purifiers?
I
wanted
do.
to trade. What do you want for it? I have spare canteens. I have a katana.
Hold on,
I have like.
I'm just gonna go sleep in the. Please.
Do you have like any like leaves?
No, but I have
Spice
food.
leaf.
I have
There's
sticks.
a spice leaf.
Okay, wait.
I have beans.
We have
Spice
rope
leaf.
and no, gummy bears.
Honestly, I don't need anything. You just have those.
Oh shit! Thank you so much.
Yeah. I have like 32 of them.
What? Do you want
I
cheese?
just-
Where did
I
they go?
just-
Shit. Ow.
I'll die.
Also,
Yeah.
were you talking about sponsors? I've heard that they could be a thing, but I don't know. 'Cause oh my god! What the oh shit, wait, actually, is this actually it?
Keko,
We were literally talking about it.
Oh, I got grilled cheese.
To, what, was it fucking grilled
was,
cheese?
It was to me, stay alive, and it was 32 grilled cheese.
Cheese rain. Jesus fucking Christ. You bitch. Oh shit, purified water canteens. Thank you, oh my god.
Oh, who?
Is that like, that's not rain, that's not, I know, that's not my Pookie Bear.
Was that Blake?
No, that was like one of the omnipotent guys.
Oh, okay. One
The
of the
magical
ghosts, one of the gods.
Person who placed us down the gift. I don't like that. Well, they were probably right here when I mentioned it, and then they put them down. I don't like
I
that,
wanna know
man.
who gave me cheese. Well, not cheese, grilled cheese. Oh! Okay, we should
What?
run out of food. I've got 15
Yeah.
raspberries.
Damn.
Where'd you? Okay, then.
We have to move. They
Yeah,
know
we
where
have
we
to
are
go.
Stick to the border. Find the border. Stick to it.
Find the border.
It's not.
Which way's the border again?
But this way, opposite way that you're going.
Okay. Oh, that's.
Not that way. But this means
let's
that
go.
Blake is.
Ah,
No. Blake is with Logan. What is this? No.
yeah. Oh, the border.
What does that sound? Oh!
Border.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Shit!
Oh,
They got stuff, they got stuff, they got stuff!
backpack. Oh my god, I got another hat! I got another hat.
Oh wow. I'm just gonna chuck that in there.
Oh wait. Shift.
Shifting.
They don't know how to pick up bags.
You losers.
Oh, I just threw my jelly beans. Where did
Don't
they
do
go?
that.
I lost my jelly beans. Okay.
How do you lose your jelly beans?
I threw them and I don't know where they went. Where did they go?
Oh, I got them.
Oh, you got my jelly beans?
Oh, did I get your backpack? Do you have
No,
mine?
I got both my backpacks.
Do you have my, oh shit, here it is.
You threw it.
Oh, I got your jelly beans. Oh
More
shit!
backpacks.
What the fuck? Oh my god!
Nothing.
A fuck ton of stew.
Oh, stew. Oh, we're rich.
I'm good.
Blake, did you fucking
What
steal?
happened?
Did you
What
did you
happened
sell us out? What happened earlier? Did you fucking sell us out?
What do you mean? Hold on.
You-
Hold on.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
attack me. Don't attack me. And I'm gonna
We're not attacking.
Oh,
Run! No, it's okay. We're good. We're not team with them.
I'm just talking.
We're talking.
Oh god.
I actually want to kill my teammate anyways.
Blake says she wants to kill you.
Your sibling's here.
Just
The
'cause it'd be
sibling
fun.
says you
Where-
want to
where-
kill
where-
me.
Fuck.
Blake?
Kill Blake. Can we team up on
Holy
Blake?
shit! Blake!
Oh my god.
Don't kill. Stop! Don't kill Blake, please.
Wait,
yeah.
no.
What happened? What
Oh
happened?
my god.
I was searching
No,
for you this
it's-
entire time.
I thought you did.
What? Blake. I think we should.
Well,
kill
this is bittersweet. I
Wait,
have
what-
everybody here who wants to kill me but one person, and I can also rat out the guy I'm teamed with because
Can we all? Oh wait, shit. Can we go after Logan?
Oh yeah. Follow me. I was actually the one who found the place where we were staying. One of you shot at me at that area.
Yeah, I know that was me.
I know that
yeah,
you were
no.
now. Sorry, I thought you were I thought you were Logan. So I was like,
Honestly, yeah, fair.
sorry.
Where is Logan?
Listen, it was either team up with them or die.
So wait, Blake,
Valid.
did you actually sell us out? How did
No,
you
not
survive?
When I told you guys to run, they had just spoken to me because the second I got out, that's when they started chasing me.
I know, we
Yeah,
heard.
we
We literally
heard.
heard.
Yeah,
We had to just
and
be silent
they-
for minutes.
They told me, like, listen, we want you on our team because, like, some stupid reason. I'm like, alright, cool. It's team up with them and not die, or get chased around until I run out of energy and they kill me.
Okay.
Valid.
Told you
Are we gonna go after Logan?
Yeah, follow me.
So we go after Logan, and then what if we just all split up? Then that way it's fair.
Listen, I know you guys can kill me, which is why I'm not gonna do what I did with them.
That's
Don't kill Blake.
seems very
That's what I
Not
killed.
yet.
Hey. I do
Okay,
have
I'm
like,
not killing Blake.
Yes, please.
I got a lot of food.
Okay, here, I have a bunch of food. I have to remember which bag it's in.
Oh, do you need food? I have a lot of grilled cheese.
Yeah,
Why
we
is
got
it
us
I
our
got
sponsors,
breadzels.
and I got one canister of purified water, and Keko got like
I got
a bunch of.
Grilled cheese.
Who needs water? Who needs water? Who needs water?
I need water.
Kinda.
You need water?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I don't need water.
I
just wanna
got
be
2
inconvenient.
drinks left.
Oh god damn it again!
Oh, never mind.
Get
4.
it
I
out.
got 4 drinks left.
Oh god.
I have 1 drink left.
Do you wanna? Oh, do you guys have water purifiers?
I do. Yeah, I have a
I
bunch.
have
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I stole them off of a dead man.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hey-o.
I have a little too much.
Yeah.
So if you guys need some, just let me know.
Yep.
Yeah, please.
Wait, can I sleep real quick?
I have 1.
I have a sleeping bag if anyone needs it.
I think I got.
I got a charcoal filter.
Yeah, I have 1 drink left of purified water.
Do you guys need like I can purify
Yeah.
water for you.
Next one, please.
Here. No wait, have 10.
Damn.
Damn.
Your
Okay.
bro was like,
Okay.
bro was really like, let me get some water, man. Let me get some water.
Bro stole the whole lake.
I haven't been drinking any water. I haven't been really dehydrated all that much.
Same.
Okay.
I haven't
I'm drinking
slept
water
at
just
all.
to drink water.
I've slept
up?
none.
Oh,
Like,
it's
except in the
just, that's
beginning.
literally
a couple days.
everyone except for one person, and we could die.
Don't drop that on my head. Jesus Christ.
We're teamed with half of them.
That
One
doesn't
person
mean they
tries to
can't.
kill anyone.
That doesn't mean.
Yeah, so he's probably gonna be on the move soon. So
But
we
the odds
gotta-
are in our
we gotta go,
favor.
Like now.
Yeah.
It's
Because we
okay.
did die-
I'll
like,
protect you,
back
okay?
to the base.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
You guys up a into water, please?
So hopefully what's happened is Districts 1 and District 4 split up from Logan. They retreated from Logan. This is the perfect ideal thing that happened. They retreated, and then they're gonna get Logan later. Worst case scenario, they've teamed up with Logan, and we're dead, and they know where we are roughly.
I mean, I don't think they would have teamed up with Logan. We're in like the final 6, 7.
They could get it down to final. They could get it down to final 5.
They could, but keep them all over the map. We know it at this point.
I don't. Do you? You're just saying
I
that to comfort
know.
yourself. Are you doing that thing again? Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's me. Don't worry.
Oh my god!
What happened? What happened?
We were all chasing Logan, even with Blake. Blake and the whole race were chasing Logan, and Oliver died from it. Like, we
Oliver
all
died from
separated,
Logan?
only Oliver and Logan were left, and Oliver died from it.
Attention, tributes. Within the next 10 minutes,
Fuck
the
off!
borders surrounding the arena will begin to shrink. If you
Please
do
stick
not
with
move
us, stick with
closer
us.
towards
We can
the
team up.
center,
Okay.
you will not survive.
Your own
This
district
will
mate
be the
left you
only
again.
announcement.
No,
See a theme here.
No, we all left each other, like, we were all separated at last minute, so when I saw that Oliver died, I instantly ran away.
Okay.
I do not know where they are. I lost them.
Fuck, man.
I was also chasing for Logan, but I lost them.
Unless it's Blake, we killed them. Okay. We can outnumber them. We can outnumber them. We have to kill people.
We're in the final 7. We have to do something.
Wait, do we kill us? Hello? Logan is here.
Shit! Run!
Blake?
Wait. Blake.
He's in the middle.
Okay,
Where'd
can
he
we
go?
see?
No,
I'll
he's
full
here.
team up.
He
I'll full
was right
team up.
here.
Also, he killed that guy because he was trying to do something. Yeah. I don't know what happened. I'm scared.
Us full team up and we run. Okay. If we see anyone else, we kill them. Yep.
What? Okay.
The border.
They're survivors. They don't fight.
Here's an idea. How about we go after the easiest target?
Who's the
Guys,
easiest
look behind
target?
you.
What?
Hi.
Which behind us?
There's so many behind me.
Thank you, oddly omnipotent voice.
Follow me.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
it's a mod.
Oh wait, they were talking about the.
I'm gonna let you guys get this.
What?
Gosh, friggin' dang it.
I'm full. What is that?
Hold on, guys. I gotta take a quick eep.
You're gonna take a quick nap.
Same.
What
Yeah.
if Logan doesn't come to us?
Well, the border's gonna start shrinking, so gonna have to.
I think the border's already shrinking.
Take it, sweet time.
Are we gonna see who died first?
I heard that.
Murdered also.
I heard that you mod.
What did they say?
I heard sipping.
Oh. Maybe go 10 meters away first. God.
Yeah, honestly. Oh, okay. Get rid of the decorations for us, why won't you?
What if we liked that? That was quite.
Yeah, huh? We all lost. Oh my god, okay, fair enough. You broke my armor. Give me my armor back. I deserve armor. I deserve armor because of that.
That was quite rude of them.
Thank you, Keko. Give me up, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. That was Rain. I knew it was Rain. Rain, can I have some armor, please?
We've summoned.
Rain's the only one that would hit me.
Wait, what's? She's here.
We do! We literally do! That's the reason why we're here.
Just a family.
Either we die to each other.
Because they're my fucking sibling, and if I'm about to die, I'll wish some last words with them.
They said they have no family.
Well,
here.
she's behind you. Wait. What's happening?
I don't think District 1's winning this.
What if we try?
I have no reason to go home. You do.
You're my reason to go home.
Okay.
That fucking sucks. Yes! Yes!
Yo.
Yes!
Oh. Oh my god! Wait, we might actually win.
We might win.
Oh my god! Wait.
Keko, wait for me.
I'm waiting.
You ready? We're going together. We don't back down. Okay.
Mhm.
Blake.
Blake just left.
Yeah.
There's nothing else left for you. Do you want to fight? Would you like us to put out your misery?
Who says going down that fight?
Shit!
Oh, I'm lagging. I'm lagging so badly.
Give Keko a second.
Yep. I'll do. Don't worry.
I need a. Okay.
Here. I'll give you a fighting chance.
I have no. Okay, let me throw out my gummy bears real quick. Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, have a sip of water.
I have no words.
Sorry for your district, mate.
It's so good. I guess. We doing this?
Who do you have to go home to?
My siblings.
How old?
13, 14, 17, 19.
Wow. Parents, friends?
Yeah.
I see.
Are you going to put up a fight or can I kill you?
Let's see what I have. I have one javelin throw left. Come on. Ready when you are.
I'm ready when you are.
I'm allowing you to make the first hit.
Whoa. Come back, Blake. I have people to go home to. Oh! I fucking won. I won. I don't need any of these anymore. I won. I just want to go home. Where's the game makers? I don't know what to do now.
I'd like to thank Birdhouse for hosting such a project, and all credit goes to them. I do recommend you check out their video on the project, as it has been professionally edited, and it includes all POVs of every tribute. All credit goes to them for all the time and work they've put into this amazing project. I'd like to personally thank Moon/May for creating the trailer at the very beginning of the video. They put a lot of hard work into it, and I really appreciate it. Now, thank you for watching, and I apologize for all the lagginess of the video. Go check out Birdhouse and go check out May, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.